Hello everyone. All right. So hi everyone, welcome B. Sorry. Okay, here we go. So hi everyone, this is Joe. Again, thank you so much for join this community call. I think we got lots of good things to talk with today. I think first of all, thank you so much that we successfully closed our round one under trench two successfully oversubscribed, which is amazing from all of your supports. So today we'll share some statistics about round one and some what to expect in the future, and also we have some important notices for you guys that we learned from the round one, since there are some some investors are facing some some issues we think we should clarify to make sure that the round two will not repeat such issue again. And then we might have some good news for the round two on the trench two as well. So I think we got lots of insightful information under this community code. So yeah, thank you so much, and please feel free to leave your questions in any language. I think we would love to answer all the questions. Don't afraid that you are asking questions that you think is not appropriate. I think we are afraid that you don't ask the questions to clarify ourselves. We don't afraid that you ask any question that seems, uncommon. So feel free to ask. So yeah, here we go. Today, our agenda, like I mentioned, it will be first. We'll share some statistics about the trench one, the round one under trench two, and also some notices, important notices that you should really take notes, and also some good news about the round two that is just under the way. Okay, so first, thank you so much for all the investors from all around the world. The investors from Japan, from Korea, from Europe, US, and also in southern countries, South Asian country as well. I think we received lots of your support in the round one. Our target raising amount was about 200K for round one, but within 1 week, they just we get additional 270K plus within 1 week. So I think appreciate the support from all of you guys. I think this is a strong confidence that our existing investors have the confidence in HAG after they receiving the WBTC distribution in the past 3 months. And I think this is also a good credit get from the new coming investors. I think we appreciate your comments. I think we want to let everyone know that HAG, we are really carry out our business plan and try to make investors have some like brand new investment opportunity other than the traditional like stocks or ETF or different other way investments in the markets. So yeah, thank you so much. In the round one, we totally acquired about 476K plus investment from the investors. Thank you so much. And yeah, so what to expect for the round one investors that we share in on the Medium and also in the previous community code. So we close on the May 24th. Okay, the May 24th, right? So maximum 75 days for us to prepare to acquire the mining servers, get those mining servers shipped to the designed mining facility, and set up testing, final testing, and going online. We will need 65 days maximum. But of course, we'll try to make it as short as possible, since we got experiences in the round one and in the trench one. So I think hopefully the process will be more smooth, and the process duration will get less. Okay, so yeah, this is one thing. So it will be before July 28th. This is the last day. So as I mentioned, we'll try to initiate this mining operation as soon as possible. And since we want to make sure that all the token or all the investors have some fungible rights, so we will make sure that the mining pools will be combined at the end of certain calendar months. So I think the whole plan will stay the same, and this process, this SOP, will apply to each round in the future as well. So yeah, this is what to expect. Of course, during these 65 days, we'll keep you posted on what's the timing for us. We finally acquired mining servers, and the day the mining server is being shipped, and the process of being shipped, and the progress of the shipment, and also how well we test or set up the mining servers, and finally going online, just like what we did in the trench one. So I think we'll try to make all this as transparent as possible. So I think the progress we have that we would like to share it right away is that since we got the experiences in the trench one, so the process will be more smooth. So we just, after we close the round one, right, we just contact the suppliers within the industry. And fortunately, I think we just successfully locked the amount that we need for the round one investors. We plan to acquire the brand new S21 for this round, and the total amount will likely be 70 units mining servers. The brand new 70 S21 for the round one investors. Of course, the final amount will be announced once everything is confirmed, but this is our plan right now, and I think we got the high confidence that we acquire this sufficient amount of mining servers for round one investors. And like we said, we'll try to make this process as short as possible, but I think the main purpose is to make sure that every process is carried out successfully and completely, and make sure the quality of the mining servers is good. So it might take some time to set up and test afterward. So overall, we will just make sure that all the process is transparent as possible. So the next thing is the important notes that I think we learned from this round one. So first and most importantly, I would like to separate this discussions in two parts. If you are existing investors that already invest more than 5K in HAG, no matter in the tranche one or in the round one, so you can make some subsequent investment that is less than 5K. For example, you can make $200 or $1,000 investment after you meet this 5K threshold. You could do so. The process that you should do, especially you are investing in crypto that is less than 5K, usually you could not make this subsequent investment on INX. So what you do, you directly send the investment in crypto to the address, our official HAG address on INX website. And I think one important note is that you should use the same wallet address that is binded on your INX account. For example, if you use the MetaMask wallet address A, let's say A, and bind it to the INX, you cannot use the MetaMask wallet address B or C to send your investment to our official HAG wallet address. We are not allowed to count your investment using wallet B or wallet C, send it to us as a qualified investment, because this is all about compliance issue. And I think our transfer agent, the INX, could not successfully link your INX account to the wallet if you are using other wallet address. So in this case, in the previous example, what can you do? If you want to use the money in the wallet B or wallet C to invest in HAG, you need to send the money from the wallet B or C and send it to the wallet A. The wallet A is the one that you bind it on INX, and use the wallet A to send the money to our official HAG wallets. This is really, really important, because in the round one, I think we got two investments that sent to our official wallet address that is not binded on the INX. So we might not count this as a qualified investment. We need to refund these two investments. I think this is kind of pity, because I know that you guys want to invest in HAG properly. So I think in this MA, I would like to emphasize on this. Please use the same MetaMask wallet address that is binded on INX to send it to our HAG official wallet address. And of course, before you send the investment, right, you should double check, or you could send the email to the IR email address, like here. You can send to this email, right, to double check whether the wallet address that you think is our official wallet address is authentic. I think this is important. Please do not copy paste any unofficial link or unofficial wallet address on the website or on the X on the Twitter, please double check before you send the money. I think this is really important. Okay. And another things I would like to emphasize that usually we do not have expected rounds under the tranche 2. Usually if the mining server, the price or the cost do not fluctuate a lot, we will have different rounds on the tranche 2. We do not have definite how many rounds on the tranche 2. So I think the purpose that we have different rounds is to have some flexibility to make sure that if you want to invest earlier, that you could have the earlier access to the WPT's distribution. So I think that's the main purpose of the round. Okay, so I think this is especially important. So we do not want you to have some wrong expectations on the rounds, like how many rounds. So I think please bear this in mind. So yeah, back to the higher level. This is the case if you want to invest in subsequent investment that is less than 5K, and especially in crypto, I think you should use the same wallet address, bind it on INX. Okay. But if you want to invest in US dollars, I think you'll be fine, right? I think you just directly use the same. If you send the if you make the investment in the USD, right, you can send it to our official bank account, and please send us the notification before you make the fiat investments. Okay, and please provide your name on INX, the email you register on INX, and the amount you are about to send in fiat currency in USD before you send. I think we want you to make the investment properly and to that you on board accurately and properly and compliantly. So that's the whole point. And if you want to invest more than the 5K, I think you could just directly go on INX, the page, right, and go through the process. I think you're good. So I think this is some notices that we would like to emphasize again, and we want to make sure that in the round 2 you will not face this kind of issue again. All right, cool. So here's some good news we would like to announce for the round 2. So currently we just raised about 16K plus in the round 2. Even though we just closed the round 1 in just 1 day, we still receive lots of money from our potential investors as well. The current process, the current completion status, completion rates is about 33.7%. So I think this is kind of fast. So we want to have some some plan or some announcement for you guys. If because the round 2, the targeted amount to be raised will be 50K. So if we could achieve this 50K before May 31st, there will be about 5 days later. If we could reach and the 50K before the 31st, I think for the round 2 mining servers will possibly get online and start working at the same time as the round 1 mining servers get online. So that is before you join the round. If you join the round 2 and we reach 50K before May 31st, right? The mining servers will get online, I think, at the same time as the round 1. So that means that even though you are investing in the round 2, right, you could start counting your operation, the net yield from the operation, at the same time as round 1. Why you could do this? Because I think since there are only about 7 days the gap, I think we could ask the suppliers to have some rush order to make sure that we could get these mining servers online at the same time. So I think this is good news. if you fail to make the investment in the round one, those using the different wallet address to send the money to our official wallet address account, you could we will try to refund you like as soon as possible in these days, and like you can make your investment properly using the same MetaMask wallet address registered on the INX, so you could catch up. So we hopefully, if we reach 50K by May 31st, I think we are good. Everyone will be happy. Okay, so yeah, this is the good news we could have for the round two. And okay, so yeah, here it is. Here's some brief summary we have for this community code. The first, thank you so much for your support. Okay, this is a typo. This should be 238. Got it. So yeah, thank you so much for your support. We raised total about 476K plus investment in the round one. It will be the 238% completion rates. That's amazing. And we got some brand new S21 already for the round one, and they will be shipped as soon as possible. And I think we'll keep you posted on the progress of the shipment, the setup, the testing, and the online date afterwards. And for the round two, we also got good news for you. Currently, the round two, the progress rate, the completion rate is about 33.7%, and I think this is still amazing, right? If we could reach the 50K threshold, right, before the May 31st, we will try to make sure that the round two mining servers will get online at the same time as the round one. The round two will be the same time as the round one. So that means that the day you start receiving the WBTC distribution will be the same as the round one. So yeah, this is amazing. If you want to invest in HAG more than 5K, please scan this QR code. It will guide you to the page on the INX to complete your investment. And if you want to invest less than 5K, be sure to use the same MetaMask wallet address, bind it on the INX, send it to our official wallet address, HAG's official wallet address, and you could double check. And if you have any questions, just send us the email to get a confirmation from us. The email is ir@hagsto.com. It's pretty easy. So please, we like you guys to ask the questions. We are afraid that there is some misunderstanding between us and you. So I think thank you so much for the support. I think if you join this live YouTube stream, I think you could get some points on Galaxy as well. Our monthly Galaxy points campaign is online every month, and you could get some monetary rewards after that. So I think that's share this video, share some highlights about this video, and let more people know about HAG, to let more people on board and becoming the investors of the HAG. And I think the Aku, I think thank you so much for your positive feedbacks. Thank you so much for asking questions. And if you have any question after this live community code, please you could ask on Twitter, in a Telegram, or send an email to us as you like. Thank you so much for your participation this week. I think we'll see you around in the coming weeks, and hopefully we could close our round one before our next community code. Thank you so much. Bye guys.